Title: Comprehensive Beginner's Guide to AI Development with Java. Step 1: Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Definition of AI: understand the concept of artificial intelligence and its goals to create intelligent systems that can mimic human intelligence. AI in everyday life: explore real-world applications of AI, such as virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and self-driving cars. AI ethics: discuss the ethical implications of AI and the importance of developing responsible AI systems. Java in AI: learn why Java is a suitable programming language for AI development and its advantages in terms of portability and performance. Step 2: Prerequisites. Programming knowledge: review the basic concepts of Java programming, including variables, loops, and functions. Mathematics fundamentals: refresh your knowledge of linear algebra, probability, and calculus, which are essential for understanding AI algorithms. Step 3: Getting started with Java and AI libraries. Install Java. If you haven't installed Java on your computer, download and set it up following the official instructions. Set up IDE. Choose an integrated development environment IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ and create a new Java project. Import AI libraries. Download and import AI libraries like Deep Learning 4J or Weka into your Java project. Step 4: Data handling and pre-processing. Data acquisition: learn how to collect and import data into your Java project, either from files or databases. Data inspection: explore your dataset to understand its structure, features, and data types. Data pre-processing: clean the data by handling missing values, removing duplicates, and addressing outliers. Data visualization: use Java libraries like JFreeChart or JavaFX to visualize your data for better insights. Step 6: Data pre-processing. Data cleaning: understand the importance of cleaning data by handling missing values, duplicates, and outliers. Feature scaling: normalize or standardize the features to bring them to a common scale for better model performance. Step 7: Supervised learning. Overview of supervised learning: understand the concept of supervised learning where the model is trained on labeled data. Implement a supervised learning model. Choose a dataset and apply a supervised learning algorithm like decision trees or neural networks. Step 8: Unsupervised learning. Overview of unsupervised learning: learn about unsupervised learning where the model learns from unlabeled data to find patterns and relationships. Implement unsupervised learning. Apply an unsupervised learning algorithm like k-means clustering or principal component analysis (PCA). Step 9: Evaluation metrics. Accuracy, precision, and recall: understand essential evaluation metrics to assess the performance of AI models. Cross-validation: implement cross-validation techniques to ensure unbiased evaluation. Step 10: Deep learning and neural networks. Introduction to deep learning: explore the basics of deep learning and its role in modern AI applications. Building neural networks: create and train a deep learning model using Java libraries like Deep Learning 4J. Step 11: Natural language processing (NLP). NLP concepts: learn about NLP tasks like tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, and sentiment analysis. Implement an NLP model. Build an AI-based chatbot using NLP techniques and a pre-trained language model. Step 12: Computer vision. Computer vision basics: explore computer vision tasks like image classification and object detection. Image classification with deep learning. Create an image classification model using Java and Deep Learning 4J. Step 13. Reinforcement learning. Introduction to reinforcement learning. Understand the fundamentals of reinforcement learning where agents learn from feedback. Implement a simple game, develop a basic Java game and use reinforcement learning to train an AI agent. Step 14. AI ethics. Ethical considerations. Explore the ethical implications of AI development and its impact on society. Responsible AI. Learn how to develop AI systems with fairness, transparency, and accountability. Step 15. Real-world AI project. Choose a project, pick a real-world problem or task to solve using AI techniques.